Hey, would you like to go on a fun-filled autumn adventure with me today? Because honestly, it's a gorgeous day and I can't think of anybody better to do it with than you. Awesome, let's go. Over the river and through the wood to meet the hogs I know. The leaves all around we have found turning red, yellow, and brown. Over the river and through the wood our Harleys they did roam. The sights, the smells, the friends, the miles, as over the ground we go. Over the river and through the wood to have a first-rate play. Hear the engines sing, not caring about a thing, as we live like kings. Over the river and through the wood, how our Harleys they did go. Iron horses know the way, painted for the day in beautiful glistening chrome. Hooray for Thanksgiving Day.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking and watching and running along with me. I do greatly appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers, welcome back returning subscribers. And see more and more of you each week. I love it. Thank you so much. For those that don't know me, my name is Dawn, aka Irish Bob's sister. And today we are going on the Fall Foliage Ride with FX Thunder H.O.G chapter. It's a gorgeous day, one that I am truly thankful for.
I did this, and then I didn't realize it. I had my, I was all bundled up, and then I went to snap it, and it snapped. I'm like, what's the matter with this thing? And then I looked there, I'm like, what?
He's telling me a Harley-Davidson backrest is $50.
Police edition. Peace officer edition.
Took that blue stripe and made that the color of the bike and put a black fence stripe on it.
You should see Atlanta City Police bikes. I think that's a similar concept if I remember correctly. There's our blue. I'm ready when you're ready. Go. We will catch up. I should have gone to the bathroom now that I think about it. Oops.
Feel the tide come in.
That's going to the video for sure.
Edit it and take the picture out.
Hey, it's right here.
We're gonna do a little background real quick. So all these tickets are from all the rides that we did this summer. We went to Rock in Massachusetts back in January, and the HOG was so generous. They said, hey, since we have extras, why don't you take one with you to do with whatever you want. So that's where we came up with the idea of, let's do this, raffle it off, everybody earns a ticket by riding, and then here we are. So without further ado,
Wait a minute, Director Sticky Fingers is the one choosing the ticket?
he's got one.
Roy.
Roy!
Oh, look at that.
This is the behind the scenes footage.
Right? Yeah, this is the B-roll. Everybody, 3, 2, 1, cheese! Perfect. Thank you.
She needs enough time to go home and film the X-rated part of this little clip.
Thank you very much, by the way.
Is that what they call thumping?
Yes.
Well, some people call it
And
that.
special effects
She has
and
special effects where she can remove clothing and stuff.
Make things seem bigger than they actually are.
yeah, like engines. Right, yes.
I got that app too.
Sure exactly how much battery's left, so I will just say that was so much fun, guys. So glad that you all were able to click and watch and ride along with us. We had an absolutely fantastic time in Irwin Park in beautiful Boonville, New York. And it's just perfect. A little bit on the cold side. And there is the covered bridge. stop there. So again, thank you guys so much for clicking and riding along with me. I do greatly appreciate it. Remember, if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload new content, then be sure to hit that bell. Until next week, guys, please be safe, be kind to one another. That is so important. Ride when you can and have fun. I am off to enjoy the rest of this beautiful fall day.